Hello and welcome to Learning Outcome 2. Are you ready to explore the depths of research philosophy? This video delves into the core aspects of research philosophy crucial for strategic development. Discover how different philosophical approaches shape research methods and outcomes. Research philosophy is pivotal in guiding research methods. It begins with a personal statement about the chosen philosophy. This decision influences the research methods selected. Without a clear philosophical foundation, the value of research methods is questionable. Understanding the philosophy is essential for effective research. Philosophy shapes our understanding of knowledge development. It impacts the research process significantly. Three dominant philosophies are positivism, interpretivism, and realism. Each offers a unique perspective on research. Choosing the right philosophy is crucial for meaningful outcomes. Positivism is often associated with natural sciences. It focuses on observable social realities. Researchers prefer law-like generalizations. Positivism assumes data are value-free and independent. A structured methodology is emphasized for replication and analysis. Interpretivism, also known as phenomenology, embraces complexity. It argues against reducing phenomena to laws. Business contexts often require interpretivism. It focuses on context-specific insights. Generalizability is limited, but internal validity is prioritized. Interpretivism values subjective meanings in research. It acknowledges the unique dynamics of business scenarios. Reality is seen as socially constructed. Researchers must understand subjects' perspectives. Shared meanings can emerge from common stimuli. Social constructionism emphasizes shared meanings. Researchers make sense of situations for subjects. Common stimuli influence behaviors, even if unnoticed. It aligns with interpretivism's focus on subjective reality. Understanding these dynamics enriches research insights. Realism posits an independent reality beyond human cognition. It acknowledges external social forces. Realism shares aspects with both positivism and constructionism. It recognizes socially constructed realities. Understanding broader social influences is key. Selecting a research approach involves three variables. Ontology, epistemology, and axiology are crucial. Ontology deals with the nature of reality. Epistemology concerns acceptable knowledge. Axiology examines value judgments in research. Ontology reflects the researcher's view of reality. Positivism sees reality as objective and independent. Realism accepts an independent reality, interpreted socially. Interpretivism views reality as subjective and changeable. These perspectives guide research philosophy. Epistemology defines acceptable knowledge in a field. Positivism values observable phenomena and generalizations. Realism also values observable data but allows for context. Interpretivism focuses on subjective meanings and social phenomena. Each philosophy offers distinct epistemological views. Axiology studies value judgments in research. Positivism claims value-free research. Realism acknowledges value-laden research influenced by worldviews. Interpretivism embraces value-bound research, inseparable from the researcher. Values shape data collection and interpretation. Asking which approach is best is misguided. Each approach excels in different areas. Management research often requires a mixed approach. However, only one approach should be chosen and justified. Understanding the strengths of each is essential. A mixed approach doesn't mean using all three. You must select one approach and justify it. The choice depends on research objectives and context. A mixed approach can enrich research insights. Clarity in choice is crucial for effectiveness. Deduction involves testing a hypothesis from literature. Induction gathers data to find theoretical links. Deductive research requires control over variables. Inductive research seeks to develop theories post-data collection. Both approaches have distinct methodologies. Deductive research requires extensive literature knowledge. Hypothesis development may be challenging. Structured methodologies are needed for replication. Control over variables is essential. These challenges may limit deductive research feasibility. Inductive research demands time for data collection. Formulating theories from data can be complex. Unstructured data collection may pose difficulties. Combining induction and deduction can be beneficial. Understanding limitations is crucial for effective research. A combined approach may enhance research insights. It involves integrating deduction and induction. The choice depends on research goals and resources. Clarity in methodology selection is vital. Combining approaches offers flexibility and depth. For more insights, explore additional resources. Holden and Lynch offer guidance on methodology. Their work is available online. Further reading enriches understanding of research philosophy. Continuous learning supports effective research practices. Research philosophy guides strategic development. It shapes research methods and outcomes. Each philosophy offers unique insights. Understanding and choosing the right approach is crucial. Philosophy is the foundation of effective research. Research philosophy refers to the set of beliefs and assumptions about how knowledge is developed and understood within research for strategic development. It guides how researchers view reality, ontology, how they believe knowledge is created, epistemology, and the methods they choose to collect and analyze data. The main research philosophies include positivism, interpretivism, realism, and pragmatism, each offering a different approach to understanding organizational challenges. Selecting the appropriate philosophy ensures that research methods align with strategic objectives and organizational context. A clear research philosophy strengthens the credibility, consistency, and overall effectiveness of strategic decision-making. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-843-61688.